To integrate a Venmo request into your application, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to create a Venmo business account and obtain an API key. This key will be used to authenticate your requests to the Venmo API. Next, you will need to choose the type of request you want to integrate, such as a payment request or a donation request. Each type of request has its own set of parameters and requirements, so be sure to review the Venmo API documentation to determine which one is best for your needs. Once you have chosen the type of request, you will need to collect the necessary information from the user, such as their name, email address, and the amount they want to request. You will then use this information to construct the request payload, which will be sent to the Venmo API. To send the request, you will need to make an HTTP POST request to the Venmo API endpoint, including the request payload and your API key in the headers. The Venmo API will then process the request and return a response, which will include a URL that the user can use to complete the request. It is also important to handle errors and exceptions properly, such as invalid user input or network errors. You should also implement security measures to protect user data and prevent unauthorized access to your application. In terms of best practices, it is recommended to use a secure connection, such as HTTPS, to encrypt the data being sent to the Venmo API. You should also follow the Venmo API terms of service and guidelines to ensure that your application complies with their requirements. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate a Venmo request into your application and provide a convenient and secure way for users to send and receive money.